Welcome to our YouTube channel Coding Crackers, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of programming languages. Whether you are a beginner looking to start your coding journey or an experienced developer seeking to enhance your skills, you've come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to providing insightful tutorials, coding challenges, and in-depth discussions on various programming languages, frameworks, and technologies. Join our passionate community of programmers, where we explore the fundamentals, best practices, and the latest trends in the ever-evolving realm of programming. From Python and JavaScript to C++ and Ruby, we cover a wide range of languages, ensuring there's something for everyone. Our goal is to make programming accessible and enjoyable for all. We believe that learning should be interactive and engaging, so we incorporate hands-on demonstrations, real-world examples, and practical projects into our content. Whether you prefer step-by-step tutorials, live coding sessions, or thought-provoking discussions, our channel has it all. Stay up to date with the latest programming news, industry insights, and career advice as we explore the diverse applications and possibilities that programming languages offer. Join us on this exciting journey as we unravel the mysteries of code and unlock the potential of programming languages together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an upload. Get ready to unleash your coding prowess and embark on an adventure through the captivating world of programming languages. Welcome to our channel, where programming becomes an art form.